All right, let's get started. The first step is to cut the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. First, peel the garlic. Thinly slice the peeled garlic and remove the green sprout. Slice the baguette into 3/4 inch pieces. Cut the chorizo lengthwise, then slice thinly. That's it for preparations. Now it's time to sauté the ingredients. You'll need a saucepan. Pour the olive oil into the saucepan and place it over moderate heat. Add the thinly sliced garlic and chorizo. Sauté until the garlic is fragrant but not browned. Stir in the paprika. Add the stock and increase to high heat. When the soup begins to boil, reduce to moderate heat and simmer for approximately 4 minutes. Season to taste with some salt, then turn off the heat. Slowly pour in the beaten egg. Hold the bowl a little way above the saucepan, pouring it over the whole surface of the soup. The hot soup will gently cook the egg. Place the baguette pieces into the serving bowls and pour the soup over them. Garnish with finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Well done!